Creating the spiral maze using masking tape on the floor, use these measurements. The first piece should be 49 inches. The second piece should be 51 inches, connecting to the first piece at a 90-degree angle. The next piece should be 53 inches, again connecting at a 90-degree angle to form a spiral shape. The next one should be 35.5 inches. The next one should be 32.5 inches. The next one should be 29 inches. This next one should be 14 inches. And then the next one is 14.5 inches. And the final one should be 10 inches long. This should be your end result.
To create the code for the Spiral Maze program, follow these steps. Once you have opened a new block program, the first thing to do is to go to the bottom of the screen and click the Lights tab. Find and drag the main LED button. Connect it to the On Start Program block. This will set the robot to remain the color of your choice throughout the program. Next, locate the Controls tab. In it, you should find a function labeled as loop blank times, connected to the main LED block. The block will provide a number pad. In this number pad, you should enter the number 3. Click on the Movements tab at the lower left corner of the screen. Drag the roll block and place it inside the loop. Find the Operators tab and select the block simply labeled 0 plus 0. Drag it up to the roll block and place it inside the first blank containing 0 degrees. You will then place a block found in the Sensors tab, labeled as Heading, inside the first section of the operator. In the remaining 3 spaces, type in values in the following order from left to right. 90, think of this one as degrees. At negative 93 speed, meaning backwards, done by flipping the provided switch. Speed for 1.5 seconds. Then, to finish this loop, go back to the Controls tab and select the block labeled as Delay. Place it inside the loop and below the roll function. Give it a value of 2 seconds. As a whole, this means that the robot will roll in a 90-degree direction increasing, that is to say, forwards, then right again, at the specified speed backwards, with a duration of 1.5 seconds, followed by a 2-second pause each time the number of loops specified. 3 in this case, so as to not make a full square. Repeat the loop process 2 more times, changing only the speed value, decreasing each speed by 10, the time value, decreasing the second by 0.5, and the last one by 0.4, and the delay for the second loop by 1 second. The last loop should not contain a delay function. After this is all done, you can head to Lights tab. Select the block labeled as strobe blank color for blank seconds blank times. Select any color you'd like the Sphero to turn. Strobe for 1 second, 3 times. Next, click the Movements tab. Find and drag the spin block below the strobe function. Choose 620 degrees, which should be the same as 260 degrees, to spin for 6 seconds. This will make the Sphero blink a color, the set amount of times for the amount of time selected, and then spin to reach a particular direction in the course of 6 seconds. Finally, head to the Controls tab and find the Exit Program block. Place it at the very end to conclude the program.
When you're done with your block coding, your Sphero robot should go around the spiral maze just like this. When the robot turns blue at the end, that means it's done with the program.